In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add references in Google Docs. First thing you want to do is to go to the top menu and click Tools. And then you want to click Citations. And then you want to choose from three citation styles. And then you want to click Add Citation Source. And inside here you have to choose the source type. Let's just choose book for the sake of this video. And here you can choose from print, website, or online database. So let's just choose print. And here you can search with the international standard book number, or you can cite it manually. So let's just cite it manually. And inside here you want to choose the contributors. The most normal is author. And here you want to fill out all the info. And when you have filled out the info, you just click Add Citation Source. And as you can see at the right here, you have a list of all the situations for your document. If you want to add this situation to your document, you just click Cite. And if you want to have the page number inside this situation, you just replace the hashtag with the page number. And if you want to edit your situation, click the three dots at the right and then click Edit. And when you have added all the situations to your document, you can insert all the references at the end of your document. To do this, click Insert References. And then you will get a list of the references at the end. So this is how you add references in Google Docs. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.